Welcome to this new flight report, and today we are in Quito in Ecuador and we are going to fly Joon's Airbus A340-300 to Paris Charles de Gaulle. If you didn't see the first part of this trip report, going from Paris to Quito in business class, I invite you to click on the link I put on the top right of your screen. This flight today was one of the last flights operated by the airline Joon on this route. Nowadays this flight is operated by Air France, as Joon has disappeared on the 27th of June. Here we are in the business class cabin of the Airbus A340. Those seats are a modernized version of the old Air France business class seats. They are offering a good level of comfort, however they are not lying flat. You can't tell in the dark, but this is a glass of orange juice.
Madame, monsieur, bonsoir, je m'appelle Sébastien Milfregillo, je suis votre chef de cabine principal, accompagné aujourd'hui de monsieur Joon S.A.S, notre chef de cabine en classe économique et premium économique. Tout l'équipage est heureux d'être en votre compagnie et s'assurera de votre sécurité ainsi que de votre confort durant ce voyage. Certains d'entre nous parlent l'espagnol et le catalan, notre départ est proche. Merci de vous asseoir, attachez et ajustez votre ceinture de sécurité.
Shortly after takeoff, I decided to take a glass of apple juice and champagne. Those nuts mixed with cranberries were very delicious. Let's now have a look at our slippers. And our socks. A nice and comfortable pillow is displayed on each seat. As well as a blanket. it's now time for the dinner. As I was upgraded from premium economy to business class, I received my premium economy meal, which was delicious in fact. The in-flight entertainment system is working very well with this remote and offers you a wide choice of movies, games, videos and music. Each seat is equipped with a noise-cancelling headset and a bottle of Evian water. It's already time to sleep and I prepared my bed for the night. I made this footage to show you how far the seat is reclining. Of course this is not a lie-flat position, but it's quite comfortable for an airline like Joon. And here is the economy class breakfast. But let's have a look at the business class breakfast of my neighbor. We have now started our descent to Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport.
Please find the boarding gates for your next connecting flight, Air France flight to Dublin, table 2E8. Flight to Fiumicino, to Florence.
And we start to see France under our aircraft. Here you can see the city of Rouen.
Bienvenue en France, aéroport de Paris-Charles de Gaulle. Il est 14h passé de 38 minutes et la température extérieure est de 30 degrés. Vous pouvez dès à présent désactiver le mode avion. Votre ceinture de sécurité doit rester attachée jusqu'à l'extraction de la consigne.
Now deactivate flight mode. Please keep your seatbelt fastened until the sound has been switched off and be careful when opening the upper compartments as items may fall out. Passengers on connecting flights are invited to check or change their flight at the self-service kiosk before going to the boarding gate. Airline staff are also available to assist you at the customer service desk. Please note your arrival hall is located in Terminal 2E, Hall L.
Thank you for watching this flight report. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did so, please put a like, leave a comment, and share the video. See you very soon for a new flight report.